Hello, friends. It is your favorite Scrum Master here in Bingham. And if I'm not your favorite Scrum Master yet, don't worry about it because by the time I'm done giving you this tip, you're going to love me. I know you do. You already do. Okay, let me stop. So, really, the focus today is really to help or just bring awareness to some of the things that I do to help my team look ahead and also for, making sure that we're either going to deliver and if we're not going to deliver what we're taking to the sprint, we communicate that early. Early communication is very important because initially when you plan work for the quarter, you are anticipating to complete the work. However, we're being agile, things happen all the time. Shifts might have impacted our reality or our expectations, so therefore we need to pivot. With that being said, when you plan for capacity, everybody probably may have said, oh, I'm going to be here, but you don't know when somebody gets sick for or lost a parent or gets sick for the entire week, and now we're not going to be able to complete the commitment that we had taken into the sprint. So it's really important when it gets to the third sprint of the quarter. I tend to ask the product owner for us to just review the roadmap before we start planning for the next set of sprints, and just say, hey, this is where we're at right now. This is what we took into the sprint. This is where we're at. Are we on track? And if we're not on track, it's very important for us to communicate that to the stakeholders so that the stakeholders can have understanding and alignment and not wait till the end to tell the stakeholders that, hey, by the way, it's what we committed on, we will not be able to achieve, right? Things happen all the time. It's very understanding. It can be very understanding. Or if there's an opportunity for the stakeholder to step in and support if there's dependencies or impediments per se, the stakeholders sometimes might have influence within an organization that can be able to drive us forward. So it's really important for us to have that continuous collaboration and continuous inspect and adapt process, even when we are done planning. So most people start thinking about PI planning at maybe the fourth or fifth, sixth sprint, right, to plan for the next quarter. But in reality, your PI planning should be starting now, right? Your team, your product owner, and you right now should be looking ahead. Okay, this is the work we have already taken in and committed into doing this sprint. Based on how we're working right now, the people we have, or do we think we're going to be able to complete that? And if we're not, are these things going to be moving on to the first quarter? So Q1. So if it's going to be moving to Q1, then let's have the necessary conversation we need, and let's start thinking through what would Q1 look like, right? And it depends, right? It really depends on your organization. But for my organization right now, we're on the third sprint. And we need to start having this conversation. So I just wanted to share once again to inform you so you can make, put it in your toolbox and also make better decisions. I don't know. I hope this was helpful. And if it was, leave a comment, like, share, and of course, come back for more. Have a good one. Bye.